This is my first unboxing video. I don't know if I'm gonna do these like on a regular basis or not, but it just makes sense because Christmas just happened. But one of the gifts I received was this Michael Kors activity tracker and sleep. It's not a watch, it's an activity tracker. So it's more in line with like a Fitbit. I think that this model is called the Thompson. So I am just going to open it with you guys, and then once I start using it, I will let you know like any feedback I have about the product. I guess let's just do this.
I'm hoping that you understand. You ain't the man to tell you in demand. Just pray to God we keep you in the plan. You ain't the man to tell you when it's dark, but I've been on a mission since the day we brought up. Every time we dropping it, we know they thought of ways to bring me down, but when they hear, don't hear a sound, guess that's the way you gotta act when nothing real has been around. Used to be on my own now. I got a team of my own now. I don't know where to go now, but I know where I've been. So what you trying to do? I see you coming for the squad, and boy, you bound to lose. Just realize that while you coming for him, that there's enough for all of us and everybody could win. But you keep spending all the energy on things that don't apply to you. I keep doing things that you would more than probably die to do. I keep doing things that teachers told you not to try in school, and you keep saying that it's cool, but someone must have lied to you. Cause about time that we feel this moment. About time, maybe you deserve it. We just really trying to flex on them, flex on them. Keep the checks coming, let them know we next up. About time that we feel this moment. About time, maybe you deserve it. Put the work in it, everything will work out.
Okay, so that's the whole thing. I actually ended up switching and putting it on my right hand because I typically wear a watch on my left hand. So yeah, I still have to take this kind of plastic stuff off, but I'm funny about that. So I'm going to now set it up on my telephone. I'm gonna add the app, and actually I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is install this battery, and then I'm going to set up the app, and then I'm just gonna wear it. First thoughts, it is a little snug. Like a lot of the reviews that I read said that this was tight. So I don't know if they sell it in different sizes. It does fit me snug, but what I was thinking is that may be a good thing, because if I do decide to start running, which I currently don't run, but if I do decide to start running and I want to wear my activity tracker, I actually would want it to be a little bit more snug, so that it doesn't come off, especially because the way that this goes on is with this hinge. So I would rather know that it's secure and in place, but I don't think that this would comfortably fit a wrist like much larger than mine. So that's my first thought, and yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Again, if you have like specific questions, just leave them in the comments so that I can answer them. And then otherwise, I'll just kind of give you guys little updates as I have them, with like if this is helping me, if it works, if I wear it.
I'm hoping that you understand.
Yeah. So that's it.
You ain't the man to tell you in demand. Just pray to God we keep you in the plan. You ain't the man to tell you when it's dark, but I've been